Hello and welcome to a new video. This is a basic English essay to help you with your speech and listening skills. Today's topic is My Pet Kitten. I love animals and I have always wanted to have a pet of my own, but my parents just would not allow me to have one because they did not think that I was old enough to handle the responsibility of looking after a pet. Since they both had hectic jobs, they did not have the time to spare to take on the extra work of raising a pet themselves. But one day, about 3 months back, a friend of mine called to say that she had found a tiny kitten on the road in front of her apartment and that she had taken it home to keep it safe. She could not keep it herself since her sister was allergic to cats, and so she wanted to know if I would like to adopt it. After pleading with my parents and assuring them that I would take good care of it and would not allow it to distract me from my studies, they finally agreed. So we headed off to my friend's apartment, stopping on the way to buy some cat food, a litter box, and a basket in which to carry the kitten. When we finally saw the kitten for the first time, my parents and I were totally charmed by how cute it was and by its lively and playful nature. It was not shy and came forward curiously to meet us. After thanking my friend, we made our way back home with the newest member of our family. When we reached home, we first let the kitten out and watched with amusement as it explored our house. We then kept out some cat food and water in bowls for the kitten and also showed it the litter box. We then tried to come up with a perfect name for our little friend. Since it was a male kitten and looked almost like a small grey tiger cub, we decided to name him Smokey. Over the next few days, the change that Smokey brought to our lives was evident. My parents and I spoke more, we laughed more at his silly antics, and because of playing with him, we were much more active than before. Smokey, for his part, happily basked in all the attention he was receiving. He had a healthy appetite and never said no to any food that was offered to him. His little frame filled out, and his coat got a new shine with all the gentle brushing and grooming he received from the three of us. We soon realized that a pet cat does not require a lot of maintenance. Whenever the three of us were busy with our own work, Smokey happily found ways to entertain himself with his toys, and even any little thing that caught his attention, like playing with crumpled paper balls or jumping in and out of a cardboard box we had given him. We were impressed to see how quickly he learned to use his litter box as well. The main things we needed to do for him were to feed him regularly, brush him occasionally, and clean his litter box every 1 or 2 days. It has now been around 3 months since we got Smokey, and we cannot imagine life without him. He has brought so much joy and laughter to our quiet household and has made our days brighter. To us, it feels like he has given us more than we could ever give him. There is something about the love of an animal that soothes and enriches our souls. They provide us with uncomplicated relationships, full of innocence and unconditional love, and find ways to make us laugh and take our worries away. I look forward to many years of making beautiful memories with Smokey. Thanks for watching. We hope you join us again for our next video.